All right, it's been a minute since we've done one of these, and it's nighttime. I always kind of wanted to record here because it's super close to the share house and it looks cool. But I wanted to just talk about my experience so far with everything here in Tokyo. We have 1 week left, and I feel like it was a good time to just talk about how I feel like there wasn't enough time here in Tokyo. I feel like 2 months was definitely not enough, and that I have to come back at some point. Like I just feel compelled to, but and also like I've been getting to know new friends and everything recently, and I feel way more like I want to actually, get to know them more. And it feels like I'm kind of just leaving right after I'm starting to get to know them more, and it just feels unfortunate to me. So yeah, those are a lot of things that I've been feeling this past week. Also, I haven't been filming much because I've been hanging out with friends a lot, and whenever I hang out with them, I just don't film much. So, but we saw some nice gardens. The sakura are in full bloom, and it rained all of this week as well, except for today. So, I kind of didn't see too much sakura, but today was very nice. I went to Koishikawa Botanical Garden area, and they had a lot. So, I feel somewhat satisfied regarding that. But yeah, I just feel like there's so many more places to explore, and I want to do it with friends and people I've met here. And yeah, that's just my preference. It's what I've learned over this time period of being here in Tokyo for a bit. And at the very least, I'm getting some projects done. We are making moves and making progress with it, which is really good. So that will be coming out on time, I believe, like before the end of May is my deadline for it. But regarding how I've been feeling lately, I mean, I've been feeling good actually. Like there's been certain things that, I've gotten closer to people, and I think that makes me feel happy. But that's about it, I'd say. Just a quick update, I guess, and in my feelings, especially about like how I want to stay here longer. We'll talk more later.